So here is a Monica AI Tool Beginner's Guide. Monica AI is an all-in-one AI platform that lets you access multiple powerful AI models in one place, helping with writing, research, productivity, and everyday tasks directly from a single interface. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on my link below to get free access to GPT 4.0 and Cloud 3.5, which will appear as a free gift when you sign up through the link. So as you can see, we're now in the monica.im website. On the top here, you will get to see all of these sections. First, let's check out the pricing page. Over here, you'll be able to view all the plans that they offer, starting with Ultra, Max, Pro, and Free. And if you click on my link, you will be brought to this page right here. And as you can see, you will get free access to GPT 4.0 and Cloud 3.5. Just click on Sign Up and claim your reward. After that, you'll be brought to this page from where you can sign up with Google or sign up with your email or Apple account. I will go with Google. Now, you can click on Add to Chrome to add the extension to your browser, or you can download the application to any of these platforms available. So for now, let's go ahead and add the extension to the browser. If you're using Chrome, this is what it will look like. Just click on Add to Chrome, and after that, click on Add Extension on the pop-up. It will then be installed onto your device. Just give it some time to load up. And as you can see, it's now being downloaded. Once done, it will show up just like this. Once the downloaded file shows up on the top right, just click on it. It will appear just like this. After clicking on it, it will then take you to the next page. Once you're here, you will get to see the difference between the free and max version. You can also view the Monica membership benefits on the bottom. Go through them to check them out. And on the right side, you'll be prompted to select a plan to upgrade. But for now, I'll just go ahead and click on Skip on the top right corner. After that, you'll be brought to this page right here. And this is the main dashboard of Monica AI. On the left panel, you can see all of these options that you can choose from. And right here, you can see the different models that you can use from this platform. And there are a lot of options to choose from. You can choose whichever one that you want and start using right away, all from one place. For now, let's go over to the top and select Monica. And this is where you can select Chat or Agent. If you select Agent, you can give it a task. And if you select Chat, you can ask it anything. So as an example, I'll just type in a question. I'll ask something random like what is the current stock rate in USA? It will then start answering the question just like ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other LLM. And since we hadn't selected any model that has access to the internet, it answered that it doesn't have any real-time data access to provide the answer. And just below, you can see some useful options that you can use. And on the bottom, you also get the option to choose any of these models. If you click on the attachment option, you can add any attachment from your device. Then you get screenshot and memory options. Now, let's check out the image option from the left panel. Over here, you can see a lot of options that you can choose from, like image generation, video generation, design tools, and more. Let's select image generation. And here on the top left, you can select which model you want to use. Nano Banana 2 is selected as default. You will see a lot more options that you can choose from. Let's go with Nano Banana 2. And here on the style section, you will be able to choose from any of these styles. Then select the aspect ratio that you want. You have 16:9, 1:1, and 9:16. Then you have the prompt box where you need to describe your image. So I'll just type in an example prompt. For this one, I'll go with a dog playing fetch with a yarn ball. And once you're done putting in your prompt, you need to select the generation count, which is the number of images it will generate in one go. You can also upload reference images if you want. If not, then just click on Confirm. But since we're using the free plan, we will not be able to generate the image. If you upgrade your plan, you'll be able to do it just like this. Now, let's head back to the previous page and select Video from the left panel. This is where you can start creating videos from images, text, and more. Let's select Text to Video. So here on the left panel, you can select the video model that you want to use. Sora 2 is selected by default, so let's go with this one. Then Just describe your video in the prompt box just like this. As an example, I'll type in something like a dog playing fetch with a yarn ball. You can type in whatever that you want. Once you're done putting in your prompt, you need to select the resolution. Here, we only have 720p, but it will change depending on the model. Then set the aspect ratio and video duration. Once done, click on Confirm. After that, your video will start being generated right away. Now, let's go back. Here, you can also select image to video. Just like before, you need to select the model, and all the image to video models available will be shown here. You can also change it from text to video or image to video here. Then upload the reference image and type in your prompt in the box. Set your aspect ratio, video duration, and audio or no audio depending on your needs. Then set the creativity ratio using the slider here. Once done, just click Confirm. Now let's head back and scroll through the page. Here, you can see a lot of videos that were generated using this platform. Now, if you go over to audio from the left panel, you can see options for AI podcast, recording, or local upload. Let's select AI podcast. This is the AI podcast generator in Monica AI. All you need to do is paste in a link. You can select YouTube, website, PDF or doc or long text. And based on that, you can generate the AI podcast. Then, if you go over to recording, you'll be brought to this page. You can start recording from right here to convert audio to text file or upload a file from your device. With this plan, you get 30 minutes free audio transcription. So I'll just go ahead and upload an audio from my device. And after selecting, it will start processing your file. Once it's uploaded, just click on Start Transcription. It will then start processing your file. After the audio is uploaded, it will start transcribing for you. It will also show you the estimated time it may take to get done. For my one, it shows 5 minutes. So as you can see, it takes a while, so be patient and wait it out. Once it's ready, it will show up like this. You can play the audio that got transcribed by clicking on the play button. So here is a quick. Then you can view the transcribed text right below it. On the top here, you have the option to share and export as PDF. Now, let's head back to the previous page. The last option we can see here is local upload. On the bottom here, you can see some examples that were turned from audio to text using this platform. If you go over to Discover from the left panel, you can see what's new in Monica just like this. And if you go over to Memo, this is your personal AI knowledge base where you can save a myriad of content from web pages and AI chat logs to images and PDF info. You can chat with Memo to retrieve information effortlessly. Then if we go over to More, you will get to see more tools that you can find on Monica AI. You can use all of these to help with any task that you want. And that's it. That is the Monica AI Tool Beginner's Guide.